Today, our featured show is Security Systems San Antonio. And welcome to allstarnetworksinc.com. You can reach us at area code 210-669-8439. And we've been serving the South Texas area since 1988. Today we'll go to the website of All Star Networks Inc. And there you can see a message from the president, Chuck Bowman. And I've known Chuck for a number of years, and he is definitely a man of integrity. You can get a hold of Chuck nearly 7 days a week at this phone number or email right here on the website. We serve two communities, the home community, residential services, and commercial services. We also work with contractors in new construction. And fourthly, we have a home safety division. We do monitoring 24/7. And you can come and see our products page. We use Honeywell, the Vista series, fire protection and detection, personal emergency response system, PERS. We have personal protection alarms and CCTV. We invite you to visit our website at www.allstarnetworksinc. Thank you.